Coffee farming, a centuries-old practice rooted in history and culture, involves the cultivation of coffee plants to yield the cherished beans that fuel one of the world's most beloved beverages. The journey from a coffee seed to a fragrant cup of brewed coffee is a meticulous process that spans various stages, each demanding careful attention and expertise. As an integral part of many economies and a source of livelihood for countless farmers, coffee farming exemplifies the intricate relationship between agriculture, sustainability, and global trade. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Stepwise Guide to Coffee Farming. Selection of coffee plant species. Coffee farming begins with the choice of coffee plant species, primarily Arabica or Robusta, each offering distinct flavors and growing requirements. Arabica flourishes at higher altitudes, yielding delicate flavors and commanding careful nurturing. Robusta thrives at lower elevations, boosting resilience and a robust flavor profile. Optimal growing conditions. Altitude, climate, and soil composition form the crux of favorable growing conditions. Arabica's preference for higher altitudes and milder temperatures contrasts with Robusta's resilience in warmer climates. Well-draining, nutrient-rich soil with the right pH range is vital for robust growth. Seedling nurture and transplantation. Coffee farming commences with nurturing seedlings in specialized nurseries. After several months, these young plants are transplanted to the main field, each equipped with a strong root system. Cultivation and care. Pruning ensures proper plant shape, size control, and light exposure. Appropriate fertilization strategies are employed to provide necessary nutrients for optimal growth. Vigilant weed control and integrated pest management minimize threats from pests and diseases. Harvesting the coffee cherries. Coffee cherries ripen over time and are harvested when their color changes and they reach optimal ripeness. The harvesting process can be manual or mechanized, each with its advantages depending on regional factors. Processing the cherries. Post-harvest, coffee cherries undergo processing, which can be dry or wet. Dry processing involves sun-drying the cherries before husks are removed. Wet processing involves pulping, fermenting, and washing the cherries to reveal the beans. Drying and milling. The processed beans are dried to reduce moisture content. Milling removes the parchment layer, followed by sorting to classify beans by size and quality. Export and roasting. Dried and processed beans are exported to roasting companies worldwide. Roasters carefully roast beans to various degrees, influencing flavor and aroma. Conclusion. Coffee farming, a blend of tradition and innovation, symbolize the harmony between human effort and nature's bounty. From the selection of coffee plant species to the nurturing of seedlings, meticulous cultivation, and careful processing, every step contributes to the rich tapestry of flavors that coffee enthusiasts savor worldwide. As global demand continues to grow, the future of coffee farming hinges on sustainable practices, fair trade, and the resilience of farmers who remain the backbone of this cherished industry. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.